Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get TradingView Premium for cheap. First, always check the official TradingView website for current promotions. They frequently offer substantial discounts, sometimes up to 70% off, especially during major sales events. Opting for an annual subscription can also save you a considerable amount, often around 16%, compared to paying monthly. TradingView frequently holds sales, particularly around holidays like Black Friday or Cyber Monday, where you might find discounts of up to 70% on premium plans. It's wise to keep an eye on their announcements. Additionally, new users can often take advantage of a 30-day free trial to fully explore all the advanced features before making a commitment. Choosing an annual subscription is a smart move for long-term savings. You can typically save around 16% compared to the monthly payment option. Sometimes, TradingView partners with other services to offer bundle deals, providing even greater value. Always compare the features of different premium plans to ensure you select the one that best fits your trading needs and budget. Don't forget to leverage the free 30-day trial. It's a fantastic way to test out all the premium features without any initial cost. Engaging with the TradingView community can also sometimes lead to discovering exclusive offers or promotions. Furthermore, referring friends to the platform might earn you valuable referral bonuses or discounts on your own subscription.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.